Blockchain technology is a revolutionary concept that has gained significant attention and popularity in recent years. It is a decentralized and distributed ledger system that allows multiple parties to maintain a shared database without the need for a central authority. Originally introduced as the underlying technology behind Bitcoin, blockchain has since evolved and found applications in various industries beyond cryptocurrency. At its core, a blockchain is a chain of blocks, where each block contains a list of transactions. These transactions are securely recorded and linked together using cryptographic hashes. This structure ensures the immutability and integrity of the data stored within the blockchain. The key features of blockchain technology include decentralization. Unlike traditional centralized systems where a central authority controls the database, blockchain operates on a decentralized network of computers called nodes. Each node has a copy of the entire blockchain and participates in the consensus process to validate and verify transactions. Transparency. The blockchain is designed to be transparent, as all participants in the network can access and view the entire transaction history. This transparency helps to establish trust among the network participants, as they can independently verify and audit the data. Security. Blockchain employs advanced cryptographic techniques to secure the data stored within the system. Each transaction is digitally signed, ensuring its authenticity and integrity. Additionally, the decentralized nature of blockchain makes it highly resistant to tampering and hacking attempts. Immutability. Once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it becomes virtually impossible to alter or delete. The blocks are linked together using cryptographic hashes, with each block containing a reference to the previous block. This chaining mechanism ensures that any modification in a block would require changing subsequent blocks, making it extremely difficult and computationally expensive to tamper with the data. Consensus mechanisms. Blockchain networks use consensus mechanisms to agree on the state of the database and validate transactions. One widely known consensus mechanism is proof of work, POW, which requires network participants to solve complex mathematical puzzles to add new blocks to the chain. Another popular mechanism is proof of stake, polonium-2 sulfide, where participants are chosen to validate blocks based on their stake or ownership of the cryptocurrency. Blockchain technology has numerous applications across various industries. Cryptocurrencies. The most well-known application of blockchain is in the creation and operation of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Blockchain allows for secure and transparent peer-to-peer transactions, eliminating the need for intermediaries like banks. Supply chain management. Blockchain can improve transparency and traceability in supply chains by recording every step of the process on the blockchain. This enables better tracking of products, reduces counterfeiting, and ensures ethical sourcing. Financial services. Blockchain has the potential to revolutionize the financial industry by providing faster, more secure, and cost-effective transactions. It can enable cross-border payments, streamline remittances, and simplify complex financial processes like clearing and settlement. Healthcare. Blockchain can enhance data privacy and security in healthcare systems by allowing patients to have control over their medical records. It can also facilitate the secure sharing of medical data between healthcare providers, reducing errors and improving patient care. Voting systems. Blockchain technology can be used to create transparent and tamper-proof voting systems. By recording votes on the blockchain, it can eliminate fraud, enhance the integrity of elections, and increase voter trust. Smart contracts. Blockchain enables the creation and execution of smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements with predefined rules. These contracts can automate and streamline processes, eliminating the need for intermediaries and reducing costs. Despite its numerous advantages, blockchain technology also faces challenges. Scalability, energy consumption, and regulatory frameworks are among the key issues that need to be addressed to unlock the full potential of blockchain in various sectors. In conclusion, blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize industries by providing secure, transparent, and efficient solutions. Its decentralized nature, immutability, and transparency make it a promising technology for transforming various sectors and creating new business models. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more innovative applications and widespread adoption in the coming years.